Hello everybody and welcome to another video of Home for Obsolete Technology. This is part 2 of our testing session because we are actually testing some CRTs. In the last video we tested an old Nordmende CRT. I will definitely link this video up here. I don't have an adapter for this CRT, which is a B30M2. So I did the same as I did with the other one. I used these cables, but it worked just fine, so it will work just fine here too. So the first thing we are going to test is we tested for shorts. But yeah, I also made 2 videos about this TV. I will also link them down in the description or up here. Yeah, and the CRT has no shorts because it worked. But I am pretty sure it is in terrible condition because it was just dark. Now, let's turn it on. Yep, it's heating up. So let's adjust the cutoff. As you know, now we turn this, and as soon as the meter starts to show something, we are going to stop. Oh, that's maximum. Hello? So now let's test the emission. Yep. The focus lamp is not lighting up, but I'm pretty sure this CRT was not even listed in the list of all the adapters, so I'm pretty sure you cannot really test the CRT. So that's everything possible. Yep. Man, this CRT is just baked. But I knew this before. You know, these CRTs, because they came from GDR, they were always used for decades. So I'm pretty sure this has thousands of hours on it. So it's okay. Let's do a short live test. But I don't think oh, alright. I'm pretty sure it shouldn't come up. Yo, I think we will stop here. It doesn't even come down anymore, dude. If you push live test, all this thing does is just throwing out a higher heating voltage for this filament, which means the filament will be overheated, so the CRT seems to be better. If a CRT was bad and you didn't have the money or don't want to spend it on a new CRT, what you did is you kind of modified the heating circuit so the CRT gets more heating voltage, so it runs hotter, which makes the picture a little bit better. So you have like 1 year more, and other problem is then you need a new CRT because the old one is just so baked you can just throw it right in the trash. Or maybe the cutoff is too high. Let me try to adjust the cutoff. Right. Yep, the cutoff. Yeah. I think as we plugged it in and we overheated it, as we pushed live test, it kinda came back to life. So let's test the emission. Yeah! Well, that's interesting. This is pretty cool, because this is pretty good for an old GDR TV. It was like a slap in the face and it started working again. So let's push live test. And let's remind I think it was 0.75. 0.85. Alright. Anyways, let's go on to the next TV. So the next CRT we are going to test is this GDR CRT. I promise this is the last. Let's just test it for shorts. It won't have any shorts. There are no shorts, obviously. So let's adjust the cutoff. Oh, that's good. The cutoff is there and it already starts to react on it. That's always a good thing. Emissions. The focus lamp is glowing really dark. It tests good. It's not bad actually. That's not bad. I'm sure if you give it a few minutes it would be even a little bit better. Let's do a live test. We had 0.6, I guess. And we have 0.75. So you divide 0.75 by 0.6 and that makes round about 1.2, which means if you use this TV 20 hours a week, it would be dead in under 1 year. Let's get instant to the next one. The next CRT we are going to test is the CRT from this TV. Cutoff. This is a color CRT, so yeah, they all come off now. So this should be, that's not bad. So emission. So and the focus lamp lights up pretty bright and that's a good thing. That's solid. It's not bad. Let's just do a short live test just for fun. Alright, we had 0.7 and now we have 0.6. Sorry to stop this video so abrupt, but I honestly wanted to test all the other CRTs that I have, but they are all too new, so you don't find them in the adapter list that I have. And as you know, these modern CRTs are not well documented. I couldn't find any real interesting data to them, so I can't test them. So thanks for watching. Like this video if you want to support me. Subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss any future projects. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.